Hello, I'm Sophie from Bee-BagDesigns. Show you this beautiful beanie. It's made of a bright and colourful yarn and perfect for the winter weather. I'm going to use the King Cole Explorer. It's a super chunky and this one's called Barry. You'll also need a number 8 crochet hook and of course some scissors and a yarn for sewing in the two ends. Okay, let's get started. So what I'm going to do is make a slip knot and then chain 3 to make a circle. So that's just a yarn over and pull it through. 1, 2 and 3. And then what you do is you find your first chain, pop your hook in, put your fingers in to hold the circle out and then pull that through. Then you've got a nice circle. What you can do is tuck that yarn in, the starting yarn, and sew it in as you go. So we're chaining 3, 1, 2, 3. This counts as the first double crochet. And then in the circle, you're going to do 11 more. This time it's a proper double crochet. So it's yarn over, pull off 2, and then pull off 2. So I'll do all of these with you. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, taking the yarn as you go, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. There we go. So you find that first chain, and in the third one you're going to do a slip stitch and then pull it through again. There we go. So just pull that to tighten it up a bit. Okay. So what we're going to do now is chain 3 again. And that's 1, 2, 3. And this time we're going to do the second double crochet in the same stitch. So in that top of that chain 3, you're going to catch the yarn and do your double crochet. So that's 2 in the same stitch. And then you can continue this pattern all the way around. So I'll do it once more with you. This second one's always a bit fiddly to find, so concentrate on what you're doing. Do your double crochet, and then in the same stitch, do your second double crochet. And then you continue all the way around. And then join at the top of the chain 3 with a slip stitch. Okay, then chain 3 and double crochet into the same stitch, and that's the top of your chain 3. Okay, in the next stitch you're just going to do 1 double crochet. But the next stitch you do the 2 double crochets in the same stitch. So the pattern is 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet, all the way around. Okay, I'll meet you at the end. And then we join with a slip stitch. I'm going to chain 3, and this time you double crochet again in that first stitch. Over the next 2 stitches you're going to do just the 1 double crochet. So the pattern is 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and you continue all the way around. And I'll meet you at the end. Okay, so you finished on that second double crochet, and you're ready to join in the top of chain 3 with your slip stitch. Okay, and this round's very simple. You're going to do the chain 3, and then find your second stitch, do a double crochet, and you're quite simply going to double crochet in every stitch all the way around. So continue, and I'll meet you at the end. Okay, so you can see it started curling now, and that's because it's ready to start going down. So we're going to just join with a slip stitch, and then chain 3 as we did before. Now this time we're going to double crochet in each stitch, but in the back loop only. Now if you look, you can see there's 2 strands to each stitch, and we're going to simply go into the back strand, and this creates a nice ridge, which I think gives a nice effect to the beanie. So it's the same double crochet you did before, 1 in each stitch, but in that back loop. And here you continue all the way around, 1 double crochet in each stitch in the back loop only. And you're going to do this 4 rows. So do it for 4 rows, and you can see there the ridges, and you get these beautiful ridges. And it really makes this yarn stand out. And so I'll meet you at the end. Okay, so you've joined with a slip stitch, and there you can see the texture that this has created. So join the top of your chain 3. This time you're going to chain 1, and then do 1 single crochet in the first stitch. That's yarn over and pull off the 2. And you're going to single crochet in every stitch all the way round. So a nice easy round. And then we're just going to do this for 3 rows. But I will meet you at the end of this round just to show you how to join and how to start the next one. Okay. So here we are at the end of the first round of the single crochets. Now look carefully that you don't join in the chain. So there's like a sort of fake stitch and a chain 1. So you want to really look carefully and join in that nice first single crochet where you've got the 2 strands of yarn, and you slip stitch and chain 1. And in the same stitch is where you start your single crochet of the round, and again would be 48 single crochets all the way around. And then you do this for the third round, and then you're complete. So join with a slip stitch after the 3 rounds of single crochet, and you're finished. Okay, well done. So you've sewn in your ends now. You get your yarning needle and you just go round a couple of times inside there, and then on the edge I just go in and out. It's quite easy, and being a chunky yarn, it hides all. Cut the yarn ends off, and there we go. You've got a little bit of yarn left. One ball, only the 2 ends to sew in, and these lovely ridges. So, happy crocheting, great for Christmas presents. Like I said, the King Cole Explorer has these lovely colours. Thank you for watching.